Welcome to the Green Frontier. This is the industrial-scale harvest of the cabbage. Precision engineering. These machines are designed to harvest thousands of cabbage heads per hour. Speed and efficiency. The cabbage moves from the earth to the conveyor in a split second.
Massive scale. Every trailer carries thousands of cabbage heads, ready for the global supply chain.
Power in motion. Heavy-duty logistics ensure the cabbage reaches the factory while still crisp and cold.
Quality metrics. We measure the firmness of the cabbage to guarantee the highest crunch factor.
Intake. A waterfall of green cabbage enters the facility at a rate of 100 tons per hour. Aquatic cleaning. Sanitized water removes all field debris from every cabbage head.
Deep scrub. Our multi-stage cleaning process ensures every cabbage is pristine and ready.
AI sorting. Each cabbage is categorized to meet the specific needs of retail or processing.
High-speed shredding. This cabbage is destined for global food service and fresh-cut salads.
Safety first. Infrared sensors detect any non-organic material within the shredded cabbage. Fresh market packing. Each whole cabbage head is protected to extend its shelf life.
Chilled logistics. Our cabbage is kept at a constant 1 degree Celsius to maintain its crispness.
Night shipping. The cabbage journey begins under the cover of darkness to avoid heat.
crossing borders. Our cabbage reaches markets across the continent within 24 hours.
The final choice. Freshness you can feel and quality you can trust.
Total utilization. Every part of the cabbage plant is used to power a circular economy.
Precision maintenance. We sharpen our cabbage cutters daily to ensure a clean, healthy cut.
The next generation. We plant 10 cabbage seedlings for every one we harvest.
Manifest and seal checked out. Back into Bay 74. We'll start the cabbage rotation immediately.
Roger that. Thanks.
Global diversity. The cabbage is transformed into thousands of culinary traditions.
Here you go, buddy. Save room for that salad.
Oh, the coleslaw is amazing this year.
The new routes through Europe are showing a 20% increase in volume.
And Asia is exceeding expectations as well. This looks very promising.
The future is autonomous. AI scouts monitor every cabbage head individually.